Hi guys, what's up? Muli Pod, welcome back to yet another reaction. I honestly told myself I'm not gonna do this today, but you know, I got somebody special to honor and I have to do it as soon as possible. This guy, man, he's been a supporter of mine for a very long time. I don't remember not seeing his name in my comment section. So yeah, and I was curious, like, yo, who is this person? And then I realized that wow, he's actually a musician out there in Malawi. So the natural thing to do for me as somebody who's doing reactions was to react to his music. I listened to this one and I started listening to it. I'm like, wow, this is a good song. And why does it only have few views? So yeah, I have allergies and I wasn't gonna react to this song, or today I wasn't gonna record, but I have to do this one just for a little bit and yeah, go out there and start sneezing again. If you are here for the first time, my name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the USA. And this is how I don't talk like this normally, but my nose is blocked. Gizbro Malawi featuring Psalms VUTO Problem. Like I said, please go check out Gizbro's YouTube page. He do need support. I'm sure, like, for his music career to take off, you gotta support and support and support. You know what I mean? So you guys from Malawi, come on, guys, come on. You guys are sleeping on talents, and yeah, let's get to it. Like, now that I overhyped it, just blame me if the music is not good. But I think it's really good. Okay, so it's not a video, it's just a song. So yeah, we are here, we're gonna listen, we're gonna dance and sing. It has that dance hall vibey Malawian style type of music, so you already know you're home.
Weezy on the beat.
Somwezi paka nditentunda somwezi ngati sikufuna mese iweso umafira ine ndimafira ndingokanika kuchula ndingokanika kutoka iwe ndichivaibi chifana chachikoka ona mbwenu nati naneso ndakutoka ndafumira kukaya mbwenu wakupoka sogwa ngangoumata smailo yakade ngati simtsamba nene bwanji mtoke bwanji ndimasuleni mai just blow me out
Jaile ndikafasa kwathu maziwa ndimachula zaiwe endingoti munthu nendimafila ndimafuna udakhala waine mesoma ndifila iweyo patenduma zachila iweyo.
Meso means eyes, right? I'm trying to understand what he's saying, but it's difficult to understand. Let me know in the comment section. Gizbro, I know he's gonna watch this, and so yeah. Hopefully you're gonna love this reaction, man, because this is a good song actually. To think that I did this, I know that the person is gonna watch this, so I'm a little nervous. Usually when I do this, it's the people that I don't know, so I don't really put much thought into it. Now I have to, like, make sure that I am a supporter of his as much as he is a supporter of mine. So also I'm gonna try to not be unbiased or bias.
Waziza kumandichula ineyo nanga zimavuta bati mwina vulo ndineyo
But guys, this song is beautiful. Like, the voices and everything is just so beautiful. I mean, it's just like any other song that I have listened to from Malawi and I have enjoyed and loved. Like, it's one of those songs, right?
mwina vulo ndiweyo
somwezi
Vuto ndiwe, the problem is you.
paka nditentunda somwezi ngati sikufuna mesa iweso umafira ine ndimafira ndingokanika kuchula. Yeah, don't blame me, I'm a wounded soldier. Got my short slave, that's why I never told ya. Chomwe ungadziwe sinditsakupanga torture. Let's get to light the whole signal the Trojan. Be my princess, be my queen now.
The floor is
Salsa
flowing.
Sinte, no more queen I don't laugh for fun and as a serious. A lot of people won't be happy when they see us. Ndakaduka ndiye sanje ndiye jealous. Kale wainenga kale uli precious. Chomwe ndingafune ungolola. You never be alone baby in the lowlands.
Daily ndikafasa kwathu madziwa ndimachula zaiwe. Endingoti munthu ndimafila ndimafuna utakhala waine. Meso mandifila iweyo patenu mazachila iweyo kwaziza kumandichula ineyo nanga zimavuta pati mwina vuto ndineyo kapena mwina vuto ndiweyo.
I gotta put
Daily ndikafasa kwathu madziwa ndimachula zaiwe. Endingoti munthu ndimafila ndimafuna utakhala waine. Meso mandifila iweyo patenu mazachila iweyo kwaziza kumandichula ineyo nanga zimavuta pati mwina vuto ndineyo kapena mwina vuto
I don't know who's singing chorus and who's doing the rhyme, but wow. It sounds like it could be one person, but I know it's two people. So, Mr. Gizbro, let me know what's going on here. Who is singing what? Who is doing what? Okay, because and also like let me know what the song is all about, because I get few words here and there that I know, but it's hard for me to like construct a sentence or come up with the idea of what exactly this song is saying. Okay, so hey, yo, that's a beautiful song. Like thankful it's a beautiful song, because it would have been awkward for me to come up here and the song is not enjoyable, and I don't know what I would have done. Maybe I wouldn't have uploaded this reaction, but yeah, it's a beautiful song. Thank you, Mr. Gizbro. Thank you for your support, and I do hope that people would go check out your YouTube page. I know that you don't have like music videos that people are looking for, but hopefully people start listening to your music and start enjoying you, and I would like to see you having Cal K in one of your records. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on the other side. If you are here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel, and then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. See you guys on the other side.